Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document in LibreOffice. Digital signatures are crucial for verifying who created a document and ensuring its content has not changed since signing. To begin, you will first need a personal digital certificate. These certificates act like your digital identity and are essential for the signing process. You can obtain one from a trusted certificate authority or generate a self-signed one for testing purposes. Once your document is open in LibreOffice, navigate to the File menu located at the very top. From the drop-down options, hover your mouse over Digital Signatures. A submenu will appear where you will click Digital Signatures again. This action opens the Digital Signatures dialog box, which is your gateway to adding a signature. This is where you will manage all digital signing aspects for your current document. Inside the Digital Signatures dialog, you will see a button labeled Sign Document. Click this button to proceed. A new window will appear, displaying all available digital certificates on your system. Carefully select your personal certificate from this list. After confirming your choice, click Sign, and your document will be digitally marked. You will notice a small icon on the status bar indicating a successful signature application. To verify a document's digital signature, simply open the file in LibreOffice. Then, just like when signing, navigate to File, Digital Signatures, and click Digital Signatures. The dialog box will now display information about any existing signatures. You will see details such as the signer's name, the exact time the document was signed, and whether the certificate remains valid. This quick check gives you confidence in the document's authenticity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.